Our next chapter is algebraic expression and identities. So in this chapter we will go through the algebraic expression. For going through algebraic expression we should first know what algebra and expression is all about. So in algebra we need to first understand what is variable and constant. First going through variable are the terms whose values change from question to question. That is, whose value is not fixed, that keeps on changing from question to question. Variable, the term itself means that keeps on changing. So in this also, these are the terms whose values change from question to question. Example, like we say x, y, a, b, z, c. These types of terms are called variables. Okay, so what is constant? The values of which remain same. The values of terms that remain same. Like numbers. Its examples are 1 minus 15 plus 20, means the numbers. These are called constant. Numbers are called constant, that whose values cannot be changed. If in a question it is written minus 20 and other question it is also written minus 20, then these are the same values. It doesn't mean that they are different. The value of minus 20 will remain the same. Okay, these are variables and constant. And then what is our next thing? Next thing is term. A term in algebraic expression, a term in algebra is formed by multiplication or division of constants and variable. When constant and variables are present together in a single term, means they are attached in a form of multiplication or division. These are called terms. Does this means? That 2xy, a variable x, variable y, and a term 2 is attached in a single term by just simple multiplication. This can be termed as 2 into x into y, or minus 4 z square, that is minus 4 into z into z. These are also in the form of multiplication. Or xy square z upon z, that is x into y upon z. Take it 2z, so 2 into z. So here these terms are in the form of multiplication and division. There is no addition subtraction in this question. This minus sign does not show subtraction. This shows that number 4 is minus 4. Okay, it is in the negative. form. Okay, a term in which if we take simple 5, it is also a term. It is also a term. It means 5 into nothing means 5. It is also a term. Or single x, this is also a term. Okay, these are examples of terms. Okay, these are terms itself. A single variable or a single number constant can also be termed as that. These are terms. Okay, it's not necessary that there are other more variables and constant in multiplication and division. It's just that if they are present in multiplication division, then these are called terms. Okay, and what is the next thing is expression. Expression means when these terms are brought together the above terms. Okay, when these terms means above terms are brought together by addition or subtraction. Okay, when terms are brought together by adding or subtracting, these are forming expression. The examples of it are, first example is say 2x minus y. Okay, this is first term, this is second term, and these are present in subtraction. Second example is 4a square b plus 3b square a. Look, here it is a to the power 2 and here it is b to the power 2. So these are not the same terms, but if we see that two different terms are present in the form of addition. Or third example here is, take it minus 3y plus 4x minus z plus 7. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms are present in addition and subtraction. So this is also a algebraic expression. Okay, here we are seeing the types of algebraic expression. So the first type is monomial. What is monomial? An expression, an algebraic expression with only one term. The expression in which only one term is present, it is called monomial. Example of it is, taking first example here, it is say 7 zy. This is only one term. Second example is 5, only single term. Third example is say 3xy square. Fourth example is only single y. Okay, this was our first example, this was second example, this was third example, this was our fourth example. Okay, only single terms. Okay, what next? Our second type is binomial. Binomial expression. It can be said as an algebraic expression with only two terms. With two terms. So example of this will be, first example here is x plus y. Second example here is 3a minus 4b. Third example is 7zx minus 5. Fourth example is, take it a plus b or a plus 1. Okay, these are the four examples. There are only two terms present here. First plus second means two terms in addition, two terms in subtraction, two terms in subtraction. Okay, write it a square plus 1. Okay, so our third type is trinomial. What is trinomial? An expression having an algebraic expression having three terms. Tri means three terms. So what are its examples? First example here is zx plus yz plus xy. There are three terms, first, second and third. Second example is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, third example is, take it 3a square b plus 4b square a minus 3. There are 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 in addition or subtraction, addition or subtraction, addition or subtraction. This is trinomial. Okay, what is multinomial? Our next type here is fourth, multinomial. Means in which there are two or more terms present in it. Like this is also multinomial, this is also multinomial, but at least two or more terms are present in this, then it is a multinomial term. Like there can be 5 terms, 6 terms, 100 terms. These are called multinomials. And remember, the term should be separate. No same type of term should be present there. Okay, if there are same types of terms present there, then they can be added or subtracted back. I will give you the further example for it. An algebraic expression having two or more terms. Okay, two or more terms, it is called multinomial. So example here can be, take it axy plus 2ab minus 3a square plus c. There are 4 terms and all are different terms. It is xy, it is ab, it is a square, and it is c. All are different terms. Nothing is common here. Okay, no term is common here. These are 4 terms. Or if we take 3x square plus y square, this is also a multinomial. It contains 2 terms. It can also be called binomial, but the term multi means many. It can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 any terms, but not one term. Means a expression with more than one term is called multinomial.